In today's video, I'm going to be showing you kitties how to create a channel banner art just like Miss AaliyahJay, honey. But before we get into this video, hey boo kitties, hey boo, hey. Hi guys, it's the girl with the guy's name, Fly Forehead King. You know what I'm saying? And I'm back with another video teaching you how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone 8, all on your iPhone 8. And I need y'all to click that link in the bio so that you can purchase your YouTube Queen Manifestation to Monetization Planner, honey. Because if you are an aspiring YouTuber or an existing YouTuber and you're struggling to reach those monetization requirements, you can manifest it with a diligent strategy and a plan and a planner. Now, you guys already know, how we do, boo kitties. When we are creating a channel banner art, you're going to go into Canva, type in the channel banner art template, and then you should have already downloaded this image from Google. You can type in YouTube channel banner art template and download this. And then once you open up Canva, you go into Canva, you type in YouTube channel banner art so that it can give you the dimensions, and then you're going to upload this image to use as our foundation, as our base. Okay, and you guys already know, as a reference point, I always upload the image that we are going to be emulating, and in this case it's Miss AaliyahJay's channel banner art. And for the purpose of this video, so we can kind of move things on along, darling, I already uploaded the images that I'm going to be using in the background, as you can see. But to do this, you can just go to the left toolbar, you see uploads, tap uploads, tap upload media, and you can upload any images that you want. And for some of these, I'm just going to duplicate it and just kind of drag it over here just to save some time. And I couldn't find any image where I was looking to the left, where it's a side profile, so I just use this one. But I go to elements, I go to square, I tap the color so that I can change the color to be similar. And I'm going to tap this little gradient box so that I can lower the transparency so that it's more transparent. Okay, so that it's not as opaque. And here what I just did is this image here, I tapped edit image, background remover, and now I'm just adjusting the size to mimic our inspo. And then you're going to go to text, you're going to go to add a heading, the larger text. And usually what I do, you guys, is I'll type out the name of the person that we are using as inspiration. That way I can see which text imitates it the most, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to think and speak over and watch what I'm doing, because I always screen record the process and then I do my voiceover. So I didn't want to trim this part out because I really want to show you guys that although it may appear to be tedious, it really is easy. You know what I mean? I always tell my boo-boo kitties, my clients in Business Baddie on a Budget University, when you're creating your graphics, just think of it as you're building a sandcastle or you're building a cake, right? Don't overwhelm yourself where you look at a channel banner art or a thumbnail and you attempt to create it. You have all these things going on. You're just like, OMG, where do I start? Always start from the ground up, or from the back up, or from the bottom up, okay? So as you guys seen, we added the images first. We added the pink box over it. We changed the transparency on that so that it's not as opaque, right? And then we added the image that we're going to be using ourselves, and then we go in and then we add the text. So don't overwhelm yourselves. It's super easy, you guys. And anyone who is interested in launching a YouTube channel, because every person should have a YouTube channel, darling. Every person should have a YouTube channel. Seriously, you are your own brand. Everyone has a unique skill set. Everyone was born with a God-given gift. The world just needs to know that you exist. The world needs to know that you are here. And the power of visibility is broadcasting yourself on a free platform, and then eventually creating and monetizing your channel and manifesting this so that you can have a substantial stream of income from doing what you love. So and a sustainable one at that. So that's what I teach in Business Baddie on a Budget University. You learn how to create all of your business graphics, your YouTube graphics, all on your pocket camera while on a budget, you guys, okay? So pretty much what I'm doing here is I tap the text, I go to effects, and I actually did lift, as you can see here. At first, I was going to do the neon look, but it was a bit too intense. I was going to show you guys how to create sort of like a white casted shadow behind the text that looks like a glow like this on BuzzArt, but I already have a video up where I did that on one of my images. I'll put the link up here below, up here somewhere, so that you can see that. And pretty much what I'm doing, like I said, I'm just going through these things. You guys can pause the video because usually I do a meticulous voiceover where I elaborate on what I am doing step by step, but you guys can pause and all this other stuff. I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys because at this point, if you're a boo-boo kitty and you're part of the family, then you should be familiar with some of the things that I'm doing here. And if you're not, like I said, you can just pause the video and see what I'm doing step by step because I didn't trim anything out. Okay? And yes, so right here what I'm doing is I'm just adding a random username. This is not any of my handles on my social media. I'm just imitating the channel banner art, Miss AaliyahJay. So I put Miss Ryan J, last name J, 19. So now what I'm doing is going to elements, typing in Instagram logo. We're going to do Twitter logo, and we're going to do Snapchat logo. You can just change the color to white. I was going to do this, but I was like, she has an Instagram logo within a circle, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just browsing for one with Twitter as well. Can't find it, so we're just going to go with regular outline, change that to white. Snapchat, I'll just use the one here, change that to white. And now I'm just going to resize and just drag it down here. Boom, boom. Voila. There you go. Perfect. And that is it, boo-boo kitties. On your pocket camera, you've created the channel banner art like AaliyahJay. And don't forget to click that link in the bio, you guys. This is the month of April, abundant April, okay? We're going to be manifesting our goals and manifesting our monetization requirements. And if you guys haven't checked out one of my previous videos, I teach you how to create your very own business card on Canva using your pocket camera. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, boo-boo kitties. And we doing these daily uploads, okay, because we are manifesting our YouTube goals, honey, to that money and impacting my boo-boo kitties in the most effective way. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side of the pocket camera.